Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Now, let's solve the exercise. First, I'm going to solve it using the distributive property. For those who aren't seeing the distributive property, I'll give an example. 3 times. Here we have a multiplication times 4 plus 5, so it's equal to 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. You multiply the 3 by 4, then multiply the 3 by 5, okay? It's the same process here, so when you take 2a and multiply it by 3b, you get 6ab. Then, when you multiply 2a by negative 2a, you follow the same rule as before. It's minus 4 squared. Now, let's break it down step by step. First, 3b multiplied by 3b gives us positive 9b squared, because 3 times 3 is 9 and b times b is b squared. Next, 3b multiplied by negative 2a results in negative 6ab, since 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, and b times a is simply ab. Plus 6ab minus 6ab, what do we do? Cut. We can already eliminate this part. What's the answer? Minus 4a squared plus 9b squared. So, what's the correct answer? Is it D? No, it's the letter. Pay attention. It's letter C, because it's minus 4a squared plus 9b squared. Now let's solve it another way using the difference of squares. But before that, subscribe to the channel and help me reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's go. Let me give you an example first so you can really see it. X squared minus 25 is equal to x plus 5 times x minus 5. This equation can also be represented in another form, specifically as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. In other words, the expression x squared minus 25 is equivalent to the product of the sum and the difference of x and 5. Can you see it here? A plus b and a minus b. Let's go here, organize, put it in order, change the 3 in order with 2a or 3b in front. 3b plus 2a. 3b minus 2a. So what is this here? A plus b, a minus b. So how do you solve this? This is an example of the difference of squares, a common algebraic pattern, which will be written as 3 times b squared minus 2 times a squared. In other words, we subtract 2a squared from 3b squared. 3b squared is 9b squared, minus 2a squared is 4a squared. So, the correct answer here, using the difference of squares as well, we arrive at the same result. 9b minus 4a squared. 9b squared minus 4a squared. Let me know in the comments which of the two solutions you liked best, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.